Hi, let us test a simple Java code to understand how it works. First of all, we will create our own folder for Java so that where we can write our programs. MD my Java code is the folder where I can write my program. Create it and open the folder. Now let us create our program. First program.java. Here we follow the first letter of the class in capital as per the standards of programming. So in the coding area, now we will write a comment. First Java code, then write your source code, public class name, first program. Now as per the rule where we can notice the file name and class name, they are as it is in convention. Now we will use an entry point in the program, that is a main method where I will take it as an public to make the class globally accessible, static, register the method over the main memory of the system, void as a return type, main as a function having command line argument, which is the standard format of Java. To derive output, we will be using the class as system having static property out and having the method print or println. I'll write the message, welcome to Java coding. Once the code is generated, we will compile the program. Save the file first, and now here in your coding area, as you have written the program, let us check from the prompt what is the file inside the folder. Here we can see that our source code, whatever we have generated, is available in the form of a file where we can see it as a .java program. Yes, now we will compile the program. Java C followed by the name of the file. First program.java. Program gets compiled. Now again type dir command to check the files. Here now you can see in additional file .class file is generated along with our source code. Now we will execute the program. Java followed by the name of the file, that is now class name we will use here. First program, enter. So you will find the message as it is what we wrote in the program. And now here, to know about the class profile or class property, Java P followed by your class name, first program, if you enter, you can notice the properties of the class is displayed over screen, but it is not going to disclose the complete code behind the system. This is just to understand about the properties of the class, what are they available. Now what are the rules are applied for coding Java program? First letter of the file name must start with alphabet. First letter must be in uppercase. File name must be the name of the class as it is. Length of the file name can be used up to 30 letters. File name can be alphanumerical. All variables objects are declared in lowercase. Constants declared in program are required to be in uppercase. And main function that is used must be inside the class only. Comments are used anywhere in the program, that can be before the program, in the mid of the program, or at the end of the program. These are certain rules which are followed mandatorily in the program.